Sleep now, little one, safe in your bed. One ummah, one heart, the words the Prophet Muhammad said. Our Prophet beloved, a mercy and light. He taught us to love all our family tonight. Sallallahu alayhi wa salam. Close your eyes, sweet child, and listen so deep. Our love for Allah is the promise we keep. From every far land where the Muslims all pray, we face the same direction together each day. Black, white, and brown, our colors are many, but our faith is one rope. We are not less or more. Love we are, Allah. Across the blue oceans, a brother takes rest. A sister is waking, putting her faith to the test. Muhammad said the Ummah is one body and soul. If one part is hurting, the others feel the whole. So breathe in the peace, let your little heart know you are never alone, wherever you go. Ya Rabbil Alameen. Dream of the garden where our Prophet walked long. He taught us good manners and to right every wrong. He told us to smile, be generous and true, to care for the neighbors and always say thank you. His Sunnah is light, a path clear and kind, a blessing for all of the Muslim mankind. Muhammadur Rasulullah. Rest now, my dear, under the moon's gentle gaze. The love of the Prophet will guide all your days. You belong to the Ummah, born strong and true. May Allah protect all of us, me and you. Sallallahu alayhi wa salam.
Serene for kids.